OpenAI, the force behind ChatGPT, is eyeing a monumental IPO, potentially valuing the company at $1 trillion. This move marks a pivotal moment for AI, transitioning from niche research to a global economic powerhouse. Insiders suggest preparations are underway, with a possible listing by late 2026. The IPO could raise at least $60 billion, fueling OpenAI's quest for artificial general intelligence. CEO Sam Altman acknowledges the need for vast capital to develop next-gen AI models. Going public would provide the financial resources to maintain innovation and outpace competitors. However, the path is fraught with challenges, as the company balances rapid revenue growth with mounting losses. Investors will weigh future breakthroughs against current financial realities. This IPO could redefine OpenAI and the tech industry, marking a shift from a private lab to a public giant. The journey will be a defining story for technology in the coming years. OpenAI's potential IPO is a testament to AI's growing influence in the global economy. The world watches as OpenAI prepares to make history on Wall Street. An IPO, or initial public offering, is when a private company sells shares to the public, marking its transition to a public entity. For OpenAI, this means raising billions to fund AI advancements and global expansion. The capital will support building data centers and acquiring cutting-edge technology. Going public enhances visibility, attracts top talent, and allows early investors to cash out. Public stock can also be used to acquire other companies, integrating new tech and talent. However, public companies face strict regulations and must disclose financial details regularly. This transparency invites scrutiny from competitors and investors. The stock market pressures companies to focus on short-term profits, which can conflict with long-term goals. OpenAI's IPO will be a balancing act between innovation and market demands. The move to go public is a strategic step to secure OpenAI's future in the competitive AI landscape. As OpenAI prepares for this transition, the world anticipates its impact on the tech industry. OpenAI is restructuring its corporate identity in preparation for a potential IPO. Originally a non-profit, OpenAI now balances its mission with commercial realities. The company is split into a for-profit entity, OpenAI Group, and a non-profit, OpenAI Foundation. The foundation retains a significant stake, ensuring the mission of safe AI development remains central. This structure reduces reliance on Microsoft, allowing for diverse capital sources and independence. OpenAI signals maturity and readiness for the public market. CFO Sarah Fryer is leading the financial transformation, targeting a public listing by 2027. Her role is to ensure OpenAI's financial stability and appeal to institutional investors. The company aims to hit a $20 billion annual revenue run rate by 2025. OpenAI's restructuring is a strategic move to attract investors and maintain its mission. The company is poised to make a significant impact on the public market. Microsoft's $13 billion investment has been crucial for OpenAI's growth. This partnership provided OpenAI with cash and access to Microsoft's cloud infrastructure. Microsoft owns about 27% of OpenAI's for-profit arm. Other major investors include Thrive Capital and SoftBank, showcasing global confidence in OpenAI. Sovereign wealth funds like Abu Dhabi's MGX highlight AI's geopolitical importance. This diverse investor base provides stability as OpenAI considers an IPO. The restructuring balances stakeholder influence, appealing to public market investors. OpenAI's success depends on managing diverse interests while delivering returns. The IPO will test OpenAI's governance model and its ability to satisfy a broad range of stakeholders. As OpenAI prepares for its public debut, the world watches its strategic maneuvers. The company's journey reflects the global race for AI supremacy. OpenAI's potential IPO is a watershed moment for the tech industry. It validates AI as a transformative technology, akin to the internet's impact. NVIDIA's market success highlights investor appetite for AI-centric companies. An OpenAI IPO could trigger a surge in AI investments across sectors. Companies will face pressure to adopt AI to stay competitive. The IPO signals AI's role as a core business driver and market leader. OpenAI could challenge tech giants like Google and Meta with fresh capital. This could spark an AI arms race, raising innovation and power concentration concerns. Society must confront AI's ethical implications and regulatory needs. OpenAI's journey from non-profit to potential trillion-dollar company marks a new tech era. The world anticipates the choices and changes this IPO will bring.